Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working after Android update in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile. And after restarting your mobile, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now here scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open the clock app. Now go to the storage of clock app and here clear the app cache memory. Now to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and after that go back to apps and here search modes and routines. Now open this app and go to its storage and here clear the cache of modes and routines apps. And after doing this, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on factory data reset, and here scroll down and click on reset again to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your mobile and delete everything from your mobile. So that's how you can fix the sleep mode not working issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.